Proper alarm placement is one of the most important steps in helping ensure your alarms perform as intended. In this video, we'll walk through the National Fire Protection Association's, or NFPA's, recommendations for placing your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. For the best protection, the NFPA recommends installing smoke and CO alarms on every level of your home, including the basement, inside every bedroom and sleeping area, in hallways outside sleeping areas, in rooms that are frequently used but may be far enough away that an alarm could be difficult to hear, outside rooms that are typically kept closed, such as utility or boiler rooms. If you live in a mobile home, install at least one smoke and carbon monoxide alarm as close to each sleeping area as possible. For even greater protection, consider placing an alarm in every room. There are also a few locations you should avoid. Try not to install alarms in kitchens, garages, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or other areas where humidity, dust, grease, insects, or normal household activities could cause nuisance alarms. Whenever possible, keep alarms at least 10 feet away from sources of combustion particles such as stoves, furnaces, fireplaces, and water heaters. You'll also want to avoid placing alarms near HVAC supply and return vents, ceiling fans, or open windows where moving air can interfere with smoke reaching the alarm. And remember, don't hide alarms behind furniture, curtains, or other objects that could block smoke or carbon monoxide from reaching the sensor. Once you've selected the right room, the next step is choosing the best mounting location. When mounting an alarm, it's important to avoid dead air spaces. These are areas where air doesn't circulate well, which can prevent smoke from reaching the alarm quickly. If you're mounting the alarm on a ceiling, place it as close to the center of the ceiling as possible. If that isn't practical, install it at least 4 inches away from any wall or corner. If you're mounting the alarm on a wall, the top of the alarm should be between 4 and 12 inches below the ceiling. For sloped, pitch, or cathedral ceilings, install the alarm within 3 feet of the highest point of the ceiling, measured horizontally. Depending on the length and angle of the slope, additional alarms may be needed. Be sure to consult the user manual for those products for specific installation guidance. For complete placement recommendations, refer to your alarm's user manual and the NFPA guidelines. For technical support or additional product documentation, visit First Alert's support resources. Thanks for watching.